Hi, okay, here's an easy way to light a barbecue. I've got my barbecue here, I've got wood on it, but you can do it with charcoal. So all you need is kitchen roll and some vegetable oil. I've got some sunflower oil and some matches. You don't need firelighters, don't need anything. All you've got to do, dead easy. First step, I always do this 30 minutes before I'm about to light it. So lay a few of these on. I mean, this is only a small barbie, so I kind of put like, say, what, 4 pieces on, make sure it doesn't blow away. 4 will do that, just cover it like that. Get the vegetable oil, sunflower oil, and you don't have to put too much on. Just dribble it across the top, make sure it all soaks in. It'll all soak in, it'll all soak in. Just the corners, see it soaking down? Yeah, that'll do, yeah. I'll just leave that now for 30 minutes. You probably do it less than 30 minutes, and that's it. So just leave it for a little bit, and then we'll come back. And the only other thing you need is a lighter, matches, and then we're away. Dead easy. So let's just leave it and let's go and have a look what happens there. Okay, so it's about 30 minutes later. It's all sunk in and gone through. So we're just going to light it with this, and that's it. Wait till it all burns down. And there we go. We'll just leave it going. And once it's all burnt down, we'll be ready to cook. Easy. And there we go. Barbie all lit. Let it burn down a bit, let the flames go, and then we're cooking. Not with gas, but with wood.